Sharing your hearing and activity progress with those you care about is a great way to gain peace of mind while maintaining your independence. That's what HearShare is for. HearShare is a separate app for a caregiver, like a family member or friend. It allows you to share information you choose from your hearing aid app. Invite a caregiver to join HearShare in 5 simple steps. From your app home screen, tap the health icon. Scroll to Additional Setup and tap Setup Sharing. Learn more about HearShare on the welcome screen. When ready, invite your caregivers. A permission box may appear, asking if HearShare can access your contacts. This would allow the app to enter your caregiver's contact details using your phone's contact list. If you choose not to allow this, simply complete the fields yourself. Next, choose the data you'd like to share with your caregiver by moving the toggles. You can always change these preferences later. Your app will then confirm the invite has been emailed to your caregiver. To find out if your caregiver has accepted their HearShare invite, go back to the home screen. Tap More. Next, tap App Settings, and then HearShare Settings. If your caregiver is listed as pending, they haven't accepted your invite yet. Tap their name and resend the invite if you'd like. If your caregiver is listed with the date they joined, they've accepted your invite, and you'll be able to share your health and hearing progress with them. You can also invite another caregiver now if you'd like.